Good morning from Jasper. I'm here for a weekend with Travel Alberta with a whole bunch of amazing creators from this province, photographers, videographers, bloggers, storytellers. I can't wait to catch up with everybody. I've been to one of those summits last year and I will tag it up here so you can watch that video if you're interested. That time we went to Kananaskis country snowshoeing, which was so cool. And it's the first weekend of March and it's -12 right now in Jasper and it's going to be snowing all day. It's absolutely magical outside, but I haven't been outside yet. It's very, very cold. Right now I'm staying at Pyramid Lake Resort and I'll just give you a quick tour of the room. So you probably won't be able to see very much because it's so foggy just outside my window. But I have a view on Pyramid Mountain and Pyramid Lake. Well, kind of a view. So they have a few buildings here. This is the entryway and you walk in and it's so cute here. I had fireplace on this morning when I was getting ready. It was so cozy. There's like a little living room area, dining room area, little kitchen, which would be super handy if we were staying here with the girls. A bathroom with a shower and a bedroom. Let me switch on the light if that would make it any better. I had a great night. Just to give you a reference of how much snow there is right now. It's been snowing all day yesterday and I didn't film our way here because it was pretty dangerous and I don't know, just kind of wanted to hang out with some of my old and new friends and didn't want to film because I have already filmed the way from Calgary to Jasper in my previous video, which I will also tag and you can watch that one the first time we went to Jasper. So pretty, but you can't see it. Sorry. And so the plan for now is to get ready and head down for breakfast, and then we have a presentation with Travel Alberta and an amazing photographer. They flew in from San Diego called Czech Fusco, and I can't wait to hear his presentation. He specializes in night photography, which is like mind-blowing. I can't do any of that, but I'm very willing to learn, very keen, so I'm looking forward to that presentation. And we have a jam-packed day with activities and we'll have kind of lunch on the go. Then I'll show you everything, okay? Let's not spoil everything before it happens, unless it gets cancelled because the weather is not super great right now. We'll see, fingers crossed we still go out. I have my layers for later, my super warm shoes. Hopefully we'll have a really nice day.
March of 2019, and today we have 45 members. So we're growing and continuing to tell great stories. So Travel Alberta wanted to be a part of this is because you.
All right, I'm back at the hotel. That was like a 2-hour presentation from Travel Alberta and this amazing astrophotographer, Czech Fusco, all the way from San Diego. It was insane. I'm obviously not into astrophotography, but now I'm just like super inspired. I want to try something. But we were supposed to have a nighttime workshop for night photography and the sky is just covered with clouds. So we were supposed to be shooting stars. Jasper is known for its like starry skies because there is no not as much electric light around here because all the towns are very small, like villages and towns around here. And there's no so much light pollution and you can see all the stars. Last time we were in Jasper we didn't see anything because it was again cloudy all the time, most of the time, and it's super cloudy again today. I don't know if you can see it. We might have to have a workshop indoors and just be like more technical, and I am so attending this because I want to see what it's like. Our next stop is Storage Hotel Inn, one of those. And we're gonna drop off suitcases. There's Robin, we got Anna, all our stuff. We're gonna drop off our stuff in some secured locker rooms and head out to Malin Canyon for our ice walk. Boarding the bus. Look who I'm stuck with. Stuck with you.
That's really cool, man.
Getting ready for our Malin Canyon adventure. So excited. Alright, this is so pretty. I think we have a dinner later at this place. It looks so cozy. Oh my gosh. Over here, getting ready. Right, here we go into the canyon. No ice fleets because we're brave like that. No idea what's awaiting us inside. I've never been. I am very excited. Look at this winter wonderland. Beautiful. Here we go, crossing some bridges. Looks beautiful. There's a whole group there somewhere. Half the group, because I think the first group have left already.
Yeah, that's
but
true.
Look at that.
Like the environmental conditions.
Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Are we going inside there? Are we going like somewhere inside?
Held that from getting paddle boats and right. Yeah, you're over.
It's the other side of that bridge. And we're heading somewhere inside that canyon. Can you believe that? I think I'm gonna go too. No, my ah! Out of my way! Here goes another one!
Oh, burnout! You did a burnout.
I'm good, yeah. So we're just on the side of the canyon down there, heading just down the trail.
That's like a 35-meter drop off right there.
Oh god, ouch. Gotta be carefully stepping over the ice climbers ropes. There are ice climbers down there, and that's where we headed now. We should be able to actually walk right past them. That's exciting. Oh, there's another one. I have to be careful here. Oh, we're gonna see the ice climbers. That's exciting. The rest of our group is making it down. I made it down halfway on my butt, just like that. And this is what's happening. People are wearing helmets here, crossing that thing. But check this out. Check this out. Oh my god, it was definitely worth it. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that.
Well, my tooth was pouring. My other tooth.
Insane. And there are the ice climbers, like up here. Check this out. They're going to be climbing all the way up. I would never, would you? And this is what we did. One model and like 20 photographers. And me with my little GoPro.
Okay, so I have this amazing photo of you, and I have this vision of how I'm gonna edit it. It's gonna be amazing.
Fuego.
Fuego. Caliente.
We're going back.
Yeah, it's like you're alone in the canyon, and it's like pretty dark, but there's gonna be just like this ray of light shining just down on you.
No.
With a little bit of like
way.
dust particles and snow.
Right, the plan now is to head out a little bit more into the area of the canyon that we haven't been to. And it's full of water, and we'll try to be careful. It looks pretty scary. Look at that. Water everywhere. Alright, my first battery died. The quick change. Battery number 2. Our group is even smaller now. We've got Nick, who's a wildlife photographer here, and Samir, and me. That's how small our group is. Just wanted to explore a little bit more. I don't want to go back to the restaurant just yet. Came all the way here to have fun and explore. Looks amazing.
Maybe that's what she was talking about.
There's a little woodpecker on the tree. And here's Nick, who's a wildlife photographer with his huge lens. Can't wait to see his photos. On my way to the presentation. Oh, everybody's there already. It's down there. Looks so pretty. I like this hotel a lot. It's called Ridge Inn, I think. It's beautiful. I'm about to leave Ridge Inn. What a beautiful hotel. It's very cold right now outside and we just had breakfast. I actually met one gal who's also a mum who also films on GoPro. She mostly takes photos, but still, like GoPro fam and photography fam, videography fam. It was just incredible. Gotta go see my babies. Thank you so much, you guys, for sticking around and watching this video. I hope it's of some value for you, and I'm just really enjoying sharing my adventures with you. Give this video a big like if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all again next time.